Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, and actually Ads on YouTube. So in today's video I am planning for the week beginning September 20th to the 26th, 2021, using this Noir kit from BellaPlanella. I think I still have a PR code with BellaPlanella, so if you do want to shop from her, use the code Adiatu15 to get 15% off your order and my freebie. So I decided to pair this kit with a silver and gold mixed metal foil bundle from SBC. I think this is what came with her anniversary kit that I used a couple of weeks back. So this week I was 17 weeks pregnant. I struggled a bit doing extenders in this week, but I don't think I showed you all of that. But yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. This was quite a long base and I sped it up really fast, but it's still quite long because I was still trying to get back into the hang of doing bases, and also because of the using the double box in the day, I was still getting used to doing that again. The September script that I use at the top is from PlanWithAds, and I think that was the only other thing that I brought in. Everything else was from the foil bundle. This kit was BellaPlanella's old kit format, so I had to bring in a bunch of like leftover boxes. I think the colours match quite well looking at it as a finished spread, but yeah, I did struggle a bit using this format. Okay, so now for the day by day, starting with Monday, I marked my husband being ill with this girl from Fox and Cactus. Then marked going to work with the snowball from Sweet Ava's paper. I used this book icon from the foil bundle to note that it was a really long day at work. I then marked being bored at work with this Joy of Planning, like tired looking pregnant lady. I then marked my husband gaming with a Cardi Plans gaming sticker. I marked binge watching some bones with a TV icon from the foil bundle. I marked binge watching some Plan With Me's with the YouTube icon from the foil bundle. And then I marked cuddles with my husband with a couple sticker from What's More With Love and a Time for Cuddles script from Rounded Up Plans. It's technically a custom script, guys, that you add the name, but some of the stickers on the sheet just has Time for Cuddles. Sorry if you can hear my baby sleeping, and he makes some noises when he sleeps, so that's okay. On to Tuesday. At the top of Tuesday, I use a face mask sticker, or like a sleep mask sticker, to note that I was tired. That's from the foil bundle. I marked to work using the same sticker from the kit. From Sweet Ava's paper and the white script from the foil bundle. I marked having some back pain with a back pain girl from Joy of Planning. And then I marked having like a relaxed chill day with a love heart icon from the foil bundle. I marked getting some toast for breakfast at work with this toast with a jam sticker from Mr. and Mrs. Minko. I marked getting a food delivery or food Tesco delivery with a like a lunch bag sticker from the foil bundle. I marked my husband gaming with the same sticker from Carly Plans, and then I marked a bones binge with another TV icon from the foil bundle. Moving on to Wednesday, I marked it being a warm day with this sun sticker. I think it's from Plan K, is that what it's called? I used the same two stickers to mark work again. I noted laundry with a sticker with the Plan Co laundry girl and a laundry script from the foil bundle. I used the star icon from the foil bundle and an observation script from BellaPlanella to note have an observation. I marked taking some bump pictures with this pregnant girl from Joy of Planning. I then marked my husband gaming with the same sticker from Carly Plans. I marked eating some takeout with this burger, fries and drink sticker from Plan a Face. Colour didn't really match, but I wasn't thinking about matching colours when I was pulling stickers for this. That changes when I get back into planning and have got all my sticker supplies with me. Then I used a pillow icon from the foil bundle and a nap script from the foil bundle to note taking a nap. Moving on to Thursday, I used another one of those sleep masks from the foil bundle to note being really sleepy that morning. I marked work the same way I had the rest of the week. And then also marked being bored again with the same way I did on Monday with the Joy of Planning like tired looking pregnant lady. I marked cooking wraps with Cooking Club with this What's More With Love munchkin. I marked my husband gaming with the Kylie Plan sticker again. And then I marked a YouTube binge with a laptop foil art icon from the foil bundle and a YouTube binge script from Randy.Plants. I then marked binge watching Bones with the Kylie Plans TV sticker with some popcorn. And then I marked emailing my university with a letter icon from the foil bundle. I don't know why there's a big gap there. I think I was looking for a sticker. Moving on to Friday, I used a balloon sticker to note from the foil bundle to note that I was super happy that it was Friday. I noted I've been marking TGIF a lot in my planner. I marked work the same way I had the rest of the week. Then marked it being a long day with a super tired looking vanilla from Papershire. I marked my husband gaming with this Pokemon sticker. I don't know where this is from. It was just in my collection, and I didn't have any more of the Kylie Plans ones close by. I marked a plan with me, filming a plan with me, maybe, with this squid sticker from Secret of Plango, and a plan with me script. It's from a shop that I don't really like, so I'm not going to tell you. I use a TV icon from Kylie Plans to note more bones. Then marked doing my assignment with a laptop sticker from SBC and an assignment script from GP Studio, which I miss so much. I then marked a YouTube binge with my husband with this couple's munchkin sticker watching TV and a YouTube binge script from Naturallyads. On to Saturday, I marked making breakfast with this breakfast plate from SBC or Kylie Plans, I can't tell right now. I then marked watching Bones with a TV icon from Kylie Plans. I marked doing my assignment with another TV from SBC and an assignment script from the GP Studio. I marked a YouTube binge with my husband with a couple's watching TV's munchkin sticker from Once More Love and a YouTube binge script from from Randy.Plants. I don't know why I'm totally out of breath. Inside of the day extender, I marked taking a nap with this cat nap sticker from Vox and Cactus. I do have a nap script in there from SBC, but I don't think I put it in when I was filming. I then marked my husband gaming it with this Switch sticker from, I think, Paper Candy Art. He was gaming on his PS5, but I was just using all the gaming stickers I had because I didn't have any and I wanted to film this video. I then marked a plan with me binge with a planner sticker from the foil bundle. I then marked cuddling my husband with a couple sticker from Once More Love and a Time for Snuggle script from Randy.Plants. Moving on to Sunday. At the top of Sunday, I marked having a lazy day with a bed sticker from the foil bundle. I then marked, I think, going on a walk. It says workout, but I know I didn't work out, so I think going on a walk with this trainer sticker from Paper Candy Art and a workout script from from the foil bundle, sorry. Then I used a iMac computer sticker from Paper Candy Art and an assignment script from the foil bundle to do more of my assignment. I then used this cup with cutlery stickers from PlanWithAds to note filling out a form that was uni related. Then marked sorting out my registration at uni with this Cookie Sticker Co. girl. It's called the school days girl, I don't remember yet. To note doing some registration for uni. And then marked a YouTube binge with my husband using this coupled munchkin sticker with some popcorn and a YouTube binge script from Randy.Plants. And marked binge watching more Bones with this TV sticker from Kylie Plans. I then used this couple sticker from Once More Love to note cuddling with my husband with a custom Cuddle with Johnson script from Randy.Plants. So yeah, that was the end of this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below to let me know what you thought of the spread. So if you I'm going to show you guys a little flip through of what was left of the kit and a bit of a wiggle. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.